So as you can see guys, today we are going to start this analysis by looking at this price structure of Bitcoin USD in a weekly time frame, because if you monitor this price movement here in a weekly time frame using this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, right now, since the price of Bitcoin has clearly found support at this red line, and this red line is the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve of 61.80 Fibonacci level, and I have already said you many times in my previous videos, whenever we see price finding support above this 61.80 Fibonacci level, there is a very likely scenario that we are also going to test the next Fibonacci level of 76.39 here. Because if you go back here and look at the price structure, whenever we had this uptrend like this here guys, for example, this is also a really nice uptrend or so-called mark-off phase, right? And this was markdown phase. But if we look at this price structure here, we were also able to break out of this red line, which is the 61.80 Fibonacci level, and after that what happened, you can see the price here is straight towards top of this channel. Right now I'm only looking around this yellow line because the price here is also finding support above this 61.80. we are very likely to get gravitated towards this yellow line, that is 76.39 Fibonacci level. Let's go back and look at this again. So you can see here we had the similar scenario, right? When we had this uptrend, also we had this price pullback type of scenario, but you can see at the end the price did came at the top of the channel. You can see uptrend, price here broke out of this 61.80, and what happened to the price? It actually tested the 76.39 before seeing a reversal. So that's why I'm saying you, whenever we have seen price crossing above this 61.80 Fibonacci level, it has always tested the yellow line, and this yellow line is 76.39. So you can see after this price pullback, we started again heading in upward direction. This price movement here also came at this 61.80, found support above it, and once we actually found support above it, it tested the yellow line, the 76.39%. So now, since the price of Bitcoin is also finding itself in this mark-off phase, right? So this is also indicating, hey, now there is a very likely scenario that we are also going to test this yellow line, and this yellow line could be around 63 to 64,000 price level according to this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. So right now, as you can see in a weekly time frame, as long as we are holding this rising trend line, let me show you in a very simple way, right? So as long as we are holding this rising trend line, when the phase here is in a mark-off phase, again here for example I can show you, as long as we are holding this rising trend line, the trend here is actually indicating it has potential to continue further in an upward direction. So right now we are also following this rising trend line nicely. You can see here every time we got a bounce, we found a very strong support. So this is also indicating this rising trend line is not just going to act as a support, but it's also showing us the possible trend direction here to the upward direction. Let's see how this one is going to play out. But as you can see in a weekly time frame, the price does looks like it is going to see some impulsive move, and in a daily time frame, I've already talked about this scenario on my yesterday's video. I gave you guys a very nice scenario here with this ascending channel, also this fib retracement of 0.5 Fibonacci level. Every time when we had this mark-off phase and this corrective phase ended after price finding support at this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and then a new impulsive move followed. And after this impulsive move, you can see we also had this corrective move, and this corrective move ended just like here from the previous example at 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. And now we are seeing another impulsive move, because according to this here in a daily time frame, finding support at the lower line of this ascending channel and also at this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement is showing us that, hey, the price of Bitcoin could be doing similar to this past Bitcoin price action, and this here is also flashing something similar to our analysis. And in a weekly time frame, there is some possibility of price to at least to test this yellow line of 76.39 Fibonacci level. So in a daily time frame, this price is also flashing some bullish scenario, and also the RSI is above 50 level. As I've already said you, every time when you see price hitting an upper direction, also this RSI line above 50 level, that is a very good sign. And now MACD line is also flashing a bullish crossover. If you look at this here, you can see now we have a similar bullish crossover just like here, and this is also giving us even more confirmation that along with this RSI and also this in a daily time frame and also in a weekly time frame, they are flashing us that the price here of Bitcoin could go higher, right? So according to this analysis, our price target for us right now, the short term, is around 60,000. So let's see how this one is going to play out. And if you want to look at this in a smaller time frame, and also guys, before I switch into another chart, I would really appreciate if you could just take 2 seconds of your time and smash the like button. And for those individuals watching this video for the first time, definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell. And also let me make you aware that I have created a new Crypto Anup German channel. Right now, I haven't uploaded any video yet because I'm waiting for some more new subscribers to join the channel. So all the German viewers right now watching this video, feel free to check the video description and follow me on this Crypto Anup German channel. And also let me make you aware that Bybit right now is giving around $200 bonus to those individuals who sign up using my ref link down below. This is only for our subscribers. So if you want to take advantage of some bonuses and trade with free money, then definitely check this out. So guys, let's switch the chart. In a smaller time frame, we have also talked about this WYCKOFF accumulation phase, and according to this WYCKOFF accumulation phase, now since we are approaching this phase T area, if we are able to break out of this previous high structure, for example, right now it does looks like it's breaking out of this scenario here. So I will be focusing around this 56,000. So if we are also going to break above this 56,000, then we could see another impulsive move, which is indicating now we will be entering the phase E area. So you can see 4-hour time frame is flashing a bullish scenario, daily time frame is also flashing some bullish scenario, and also the weekly is flashing a bullish scenario. So this doesn't mean the trend has to go here straight in an upper direction, guys. There might be some shakeout on our way, but we know in a bigger picture you can see where we could be getting possibly gravitating. So please be careful and don't let the market fool you, guys. And also if you want to look at this potential price target right now, for that what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to look at this 1 2 3 reversal scenario again, because yesterday I showed you guys according to this 1 2 3 reversal, the price target of Bitcoin is going to be around 60,000 price area. So for the price target right now, or the potential price target at this current stage, or the pullback scenario, if we are going to see any, right now I will be looking around this 0.786 Fibonacci extension level, which is going to be around 54,000 level. And now the next price target is going to be the 100% Fibonacci extension level. So this is going to be around 56,000 price area. And for us, guys, we are focusing around this 1.414 Fibonacci extension level, and that is also exactly around 60,000 price level. So this here is what I see right now looking at the price action of Bitcoin. So now let's also have a quick look on Ethereum price structure, guys. So if we look at this Ethereum USD in a daily time frame, guys, right now I will be looking around this ascending channel as long as we are holding our ground. I mean, right now you can see if I use this Fib retracement from this swing high till this swing low level around this point F area, you can see exactly where we are getting rejection from this 0.786 Fib retracement level. So now we know if we are going to break out of this, this is going to flash another bullish scenario for Ethereum. So right now for Ether, around this 1880, 1890, if we can find support above this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, then this is more likely going to show another very bullish scenario for Ether. But right now we are finding ourselves trapped between this 0.618 and also this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So now we know even if we are going to see any sort of a pullback, the same line here, the 0.618 is going to act as a support, which is going to be around 1780, as you can see here, guys. And if we are going to consolidate some more around this area, that is absolutely fine, because I am actually expecting there are going to be some obstacle before price actually starts crossing over or piercing through this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. So if that's going to happen, if this scenario is going to come, that price breaking over it, finding support over this 1880, 1890, then there is also a very likely scenario that we are going to see higher prices and also maybe break a new all-time high for Ethereum, guys. And now if you look at the indicators right now, you can see the RSI is also above 50 level. That's not that bad, but right now it is showing some sort of a weakness because it's heading towards the middle line. The center line is around 50 price level, but the MACD here is clearly flashing a bullish crossover. You can see just like with Bitcoin, MACD right now is also flashing a very nice bullish crossover. So it's just a matter of time, guys, until price starts heading in an upper direction, making new all-time high. And if you look at this in a 4-hour time frame, just like with Bitcoin, guys, as I've already said you, 1900 is our short-term price target, because if you monitor this price movement here from this 1 2 3 reversal, just like with Bitcoin price action, this here, the length here is going to be the length from this 0.1 to 0.2 area, and in that case from this 0.1 till this 0.2 area was exactly around the 1900 price level. You can look this in a very different way. It doesn't matter that much, because right now for me, I personally like to add this simple Fib extension level, because I can see very clearly which price target level to focus and where we could be also finding support or resistance. So right now, as you can see, if you use the Fib retracement level exactly around this 100% Fibonacci extension level, guys, you can see 1800 was 100% extension level. So this line was actually a very strong line of support. We did show some sort of a shakeout, but price was still able to find support above that. And right now, since the price of Ether is also holding its ground, but we know above this line we have some resistance from this 0.786, because if you take the Fibonacci retracement level, right, from this swing high till the swing low level, guys, you will see exactly here. Let me do it one more time. From this swing high, right, till this swing low level, you will see exactly, guys, this 0.786, right? You can see this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement line here is acting as a resistance. So that's why I said, you guys, if we are going to break out of this 1880 and 1890, find support above it, then there is a very likely scenario that we are also going to continue higher, and in that case I will be looking around this 1.618 Fibonacci extension level, and that's going to be around 2030 to 2050 price level. Any sort of a pullback, as I've already said you, this 0.618 around 1755, or this 0.786 from this fifth extension level around 1720 1730 is going to be a very, very strong support. So these are some of the scenario I thought sharing with you. So these are some of the scenario I see right now looking at the price action of Bitcoin and also price action of Ether. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this video was helpful enough. If that's the case, then hit the like button, and for those individuals watching this video for the first time, definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.